Who's your favorite teacher?
Miss Kyle, Miss Davis, Miss Taylor, and Miss Ferdy.
Why are they your favorite teachers?
Miss Ferdy, she's my favorite teacher because we do fun activities with her, and she just is very cool, and she's not mean to us or anything.
Miss Jackson? Miss Taylor?
She, like, when you're upset, she makes you feel much better. Like, when you're crying or something, she makes you much better. And when you're down, she makes you feel much better. And she teaches you fun things, like fun activities and everything. And Miss Davis is my favorite teacher is Miss Davis because we do fun activities in her class. She teaches me multiplication and division, and whenever I need help, all I have to do is ask.
So if you could say thank you, what would you say?
I would say thank you to all of them because for everything that they did and make me a better person.